Snowflake.
Hey, it's a holiday. I got hoes on hoes and you out of control. Hey, it's another way.
So today has been pretty much a chill day. I leave for Detroit tomorrow and I was about to start packing, and I was talking to my best friend, you know, Kes. We all love Kes. So my best friend was like, what if I come back to New York with you? And I was like, ooh. I'm like, I don't know. What if you do come back to New York with me? So we're debating this idea. I think this would be really exciting. For you, those of you who don't know, my birthday's on the 29th of December. So it's coming up pretty fast, and I don't know how I feel about it. I'm not a big celebrate your birthday person. I like to celebrate other people's birthdays. But to have my best friend come to New York City with me for my birthday, we just explore the town. That sounds like fun. In a safe way though. I know it's still a big pandemic. In a safe way though. So if my best friend's coming to see me, I have to do a lot of stuff. I have to wash the guest sheets because I do have guest sheets. I do have an air mattress. I have to wash the guest towels because I bought them but I haven't used them, so I have to wash those. Like, I got these dishes to do. My apartment is just overall a mess. Like, I haven't started packing or anything yet. Like, I got this chair. We all have a chair with like just stuff on it that we just throw things on, okay? Everyone has that chair. You cannot lie about that. So I'm about to start cleaning up my apartment tonight because I like to have a clean apartment, so tomorrow I can just wake up and get ready to go on the flight and leave. But yeah, this is about to be a quick little montage of me cleaning the apartment and me doing laundry and stuff, so I hope you enjoy it. I know some people like cleaning videos, so enjoy. Okay, so far I'm almost fully packed. I know I want to bring these sweaters. I'm gonna bring my Halloween decorations if there's room inside my suitcase. Bras, jeans, pajamas, socks, headscarves. This is all I'm gonna pack up. Good morning, you guys. I'm running stupid late right now. The only thing I've left to pack is this camera and my ring light. So yeah, let's go to Detroit. So I missed my flight. It was at 1 o'clock and they pushed me to around 5:30. So I'm gonna be in the airport for about 4 hours, I think. It's not so bad. I'm just gonna sit down, find some food, and like, I don't know, take a nap or something. Like, I'm kind of upset, but it was really my fault because, I mean, it was my fault and the traffic's fault, but it's okay. The lady was really nice. So I'm just gonna be hanging out in the airport for a few hours. And yeah. Hey you guys, so today is a brand new day and right now it's snowing, which makes it so magical. I love the snow actually, especially during the holiday season. So I was just thinking, like, yesterday I was really stressed out. Like like yesterday I was like calm, cool, collected, like okay, it is what it is. But today it was a really stressful day yesterday. Like, I lost some nails on this hand and the other hand. I was late for my flight, as you guys know. I left my tripod on the plane and my ring light broke. I knocked it down and it fell and the thing just popped off. Hopefully I can fix my ring light and hopefully TSA gives me back my tripod. But from now on, I'm probably gonna be filming on my phone for a while. Kinda, it's like, it is what it is, but I'm just like, wow, that really happened. So today I'm on my way to go to Five and Below. I'm borrowing my dad's car. I don't have a car. So I'm going to Five and Below. Usually every holiday, I'm part of this program where I get assigned a child, and we go around the store and they pick out some toys and some gifts for their friends and family, for themselves, and they have like a budget, and I like keep track of the budget, and then we check out, and that's really the program. But this year's gonna be different because of the pandemic, so I still get the budget, and I'm about to go pick out some toys for the kids, and I'm gonna drop it off to the place, and then they're gonna wipe it down and everything, and then they're gonna package it and send it off to the children. I don't know, every year it's kind of exciting, like to see the kids like face light up, like I could get anything I want. I'm like, yeah, you get anything you want, as long as we stay in budget, you can have whatever. And like, it's nice for the kids to go around the store and be told yes, you can have this toy, versus their parents saying no. But I don't get that pleasure. I'm just happy I get to like pick out some gifts for them anyway. I'm glad the program is still going on. So I'm about to go pick up some toys. I don't really know what kids are into nowadays. I got like a list, like some kids want some coloring books and like some Nerf gun ball things, like some basketballs and puzzles and things like that. I don't know, when I was a kid it was like G.I. Joe, Polly Pocket, Barbies, I don't know what other toys. Nowadays kids like slime and like stuff for their phones, because kids have phones nowadays. But I don't know. So I'm about to go to Five Below, and I'll see you guys when I get there, because I need to drive safe because it's snowing. So I'll see you guys when I get there. Okay, guys, I'm back home. Five Below was kind of crowded, and the place I'm supposed to drop off these toys is closed right now, so I'm gonna drop them off tomorrow. But I do want to show you guys the toys that I did find, and I did see some Polly Pocket stuff. I was kind of surprised, but I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that I picked up. I'm sorry the lighting is bad, but I went to Michael's first, and then I went to Five Below. So let's see what I got from Michael's first. So from Michael's, I got a bunch of these little craft kits, because I know they said they wanted some coloring books, so I got these. I also got these little coloring books as well. You know, Paw Patrol. I got some Play-Doh, because I'm pretty sure kids still like Play-Doh, right? So I got 5 different Play-Dohs. I also picked up some Flarp. It's like noise making putty. They make like fart sounds and things like that. I think this would like be really funny. So I only picked up 2 of these. I picked up a little toy gun and shoot out darts, because you know, Nerf guns aren't cheap. So I got a little toy one. I thought this was really cool. They still make these like little slap-on bracelets, and now they have like little jewelry type things to put on them. So I got 2 of these for the girls. I also got 2 of these scribble scrubbies, so like you can draw on it, and then you can like wash it off and draw on it as many times as you want. So I got a cat, and I also got a dog. And this is all that I got from Michael's. I got some big stuff from Five Below. Okay, so from Five Below, first and foremost, I got some balls, basketball, football, and soccer ball. I got this cute little Paw Patrol bowling set. I thought this would be so adorable. I got this Spider-Man like music set, so like it has maracas, the little flute, and tambourine. I also got an Iron Man action figure, and I also got a Paw Patrol, like another little car. And this is all the stuff that I got for like the boys. So I got a little ukulele. I thought this would be like really cute, and like I try to get stuff that you don't need batteries for, so I thought this would be really cute. Plus I got like a music set for the boys, so I thought I had to get something musical for a girl too. I got this nail polish set. I know that the age range is like from elementary school to like middle school, and when I was in middle school I was obsessed with doing my nails, so I got them a nail polish set. I got another little nail polish set. It has like little designs in it. It's like a kit. I also got one more. This one's like Frozen theme and comes with stickers. I think this is like be really cute for a little girl. I got one of these little Barbie heads. I used to have one of these when I was younger. I really wish they had the black one, but they only had the Barbie one, and it has like pink in it, so I think this would be like really cute. I got a little Paw Patrol like car for a girl as well, the owl glider. You guys know that I love to write, so I got an art journal. I'm pretty sure someone is gonna love this. Like this, I would love this if I was her age. So I think this would be like really cute. You get to design your own art journal and like be like really creative with this. And lastly, I picked up some rings. This Boss Babe, and I picked up these bracelets, these little bangles. You know, you never know if like a girl has like their ears pierced or not, so I just got some bracelets and some rings. And that is all the stuff that I got. My budget, I went $5 over budget, but it was worth it. I think some little kid out there be like really excited for all this stuff. I'll be excited for this stuff. And I know a lot of these kids like have siblings, so I'm pretty sure that they can share the nail polish and they can like share the musical instruments. So yeah. So I also got some stuff for myself. When I got on the plane, I took a carry-on bag, so I couldn't like bring a full-size bag. So I don't have any hair products with me. I mean, I do have some hair products at home, but I don't really have that much. So I got a shampoo and conditioner. I never tried Suave before, so I'm excited to try this. And I got my favorite leave-in conditioner. I do have like cream and stuff here, but I don't have a leave-in conditioner or shampoo and conditioner. For those of you who are new, I am over 21. I'm about to be 23, so I got some Barefoot Friscato in the peach flavor. I never tried this before, so I'm excited to try try this. But I also got some Seagrams just in case I don't like this. I have this and I know this is good. I got the strawberry daiquiri. I just got a random face wash. I've tried this before, but I haven't used this in like a while. I'm starting to be in love with these cookies, man. These are the strawberry cheesecake. I love soft cookies. Crunchy cookies are not that good, unless only certain crunchy cookies are good. But soft cookies are delicious and I like these a lot. And I got some chips to snack on. But that's all that I got for like myself. But yeah, that's all that I picked up. I'm about to go to Kess's house because I'm going to help with their box braids. So we're going to finish the box braids and then probably get some food or something. So I'm on my way to Kess's house. Sorry for the lighting kind of being kind of weird, but yeah, I'm gonna pick up the camera again if anything interesting happens. So I'm gonna see you guys later. All right, you guys, so I just left Kess's house and I'm about to head home. I'm gonna show you guys like some of the Christmas decorations in my neighborhood, and then I'm gonna end the vlog there, okay? All right, you guys, I'm back home. So that's the end of this video. Give it a thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.